Whoa, it's a green-winged macaw red parrot. Chinstrap penguin. Whoa, it's a gobbler, a turkey. Look at this. We have some bird toys buried in these water beads. Let's see if we could find one. Whoa, so squishy and fun. Oh, here's something. What is this? Look at this. It's a turkey playing in the water beads. Did you know turkeys can make over 20 different vocalizations? That's a lot of turkey talk. Check out these amazing birds in this bird zoo sanctuary. Wow, such colorful, beautiful birds. All right, let's see if we can find another bird. We'll dig around in these squishy water beads. Oh, look, you can see my hand. And down here, I see a bird. What is it? Green-winged macaws are fascinating. They're one of the largest parrot species, known for their bright red feathers with touches of green and blue. These birds love to eat fruits, nuts, and seeds. Welcome to the bird aviary. We're surrounded by a tropical environment with lush plants and a walkway to explore. Look around. We've got birds flying above us and perched all around. Let's see what birds we can see today. All right, let's dig in our tub of water beads. Whoa, they're so colorful. All right, let's dig down here at the bottom and see if we could find any more birds. So fun. They're so squishy. Oh, I think I feel something. What's this? Look, down at the bottom. Do you see it? Chinstrap Penguin. These penguins got their name from the little black line under their chin, like a little helmet strap. They're great swimmers, catching fish, squid, and krill underwater. These penguins huddle together to keep warm in the cold. Let's play a game. I've got a picture of some birds here, and I want you to guess how many birds you see. Take a close look, then count them up, and see if you can get it right. Great job! There's 3 birds.